That's where I'm headed to right after I make the pastry dough. So, gluten-free pastry dough. I use a flour mix that has more starch than a regular cup-to-cup mix. It gives me flaky, light pastry, believe it or not. So I have the flour in here. The flour mix has xanthan gum, so I don't have to put any xanthan gum. It has the salt, and it has the shortening. I use Crisco because I'm not in Canada and I can't use Tenderflake. So I pulse this 10 to 12 times. And you should have it like this. A fine consistency mixed in. So after I do that, I do an egg, vinegar, water mixture. And I pulse that in as well. There's no lumps whatsoever. And it doesn't matter if it's this consistency, because you want it a little damp, because overnight the flour mix is going to absorb the moisture, so that when it does that overnight, tomorrow it's not going to be a dry mix. It'll be perfect with the flour that you put on the plastic wrap. So this is the dough. It's not completely solid, but it sticks together well. And by tomorrow morning, it'll be a lot less moisture because the flour will have absorbed the water. Cover your dough when you're finished mixing it with plastic wrap. Put it in the fridge, preferably overnight, minimum 4 hours, and then roll it out between plastic wrap, lightly dusted with the flour that's used for the pastry dough. Make sure you put your pie crust in the fridge and have them chilled before you put them in the oven. That way you guarantee the success of having light and flaky pastry. You're welcome.